Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Angela here again today, and very warm welcome to all of you if this is your very first time joining me. Of course guys, I'm so grateful for everybody who supports me, especially those lovely people who are here every single week. You do not go unnoticed. Thank you so much. Right, today I'm bringing you a flip through of my long awaited country journal, which has been sitting on the side here of my craft room desk, and I haven't managed to get around to record it, and I know that I have had a couple of people ask me about it, so today is the day. Now, a country retreat journal is a journal that I did with a collaboration with Rach from Rach and Bella Crafts, and I really love how it's come together. It's my favorite colors here: pinks, blues, creams, just love it. And of course it's a lot of nature involved, which I always love to put into my journals. Right, so it's got a fabric cover. It's 6.5 inches in width. I think that's about 17 centimeters. It's 9 inches in length, so that's about 23. And then I've got an amazing spine over here, which is 3.5 inches wide, so I think that's about 9 centimeters. Okay, so that's what we've got there. I didn't make a tassel for this one, but everything, if you're wanting to make one of these for yourself, I do have the playlist. I'll put the link in the description box for you. Just click on the playlist. All the videos for this journal are in there. Anything that I haven't included, like sewing in signatures or anything like that, I link it in from another one of my videos because the process is the same, so I don't want to keep doing that. All right, if you have any questions, you're welcome to contact me. I do actually have a couple of ultimate bundles in my shop as well, just a few. So if you're wanting the fabrics, the ribbons, you know, the lace or anything that I've used in here, it all comes from the ultimate bundle. Got this beautiful closure as well. All right, okay, so we've got 2 signatures in here. If I go like that, 2 signatures, each one has about 12 pages, whole sheets that are folded in half. That makes this journal about just below 100 pages. All right, so that's what we've got there. And yes, it is a chunky one. Now, what I've done with this one is I have put in the closure, all right, and I've used a post, a Tim Holtz post. So all you have to do, really easy, you don't have to undo the bow every time, which I really like, I must say. You just hook it onto the post like that, and that's how it stays closed. All right, you just give it a little press, and there we go. So how cool is that? So I want to open this up for you and make a start. So let's make sure I get this. Look at all of that. Absolutely stunning. I love it. Right, let's make a start at the front. Here we did my freebie, which was this lovely envelope, printed envelope. It was a freebie in my on my website shop or in my Facebook group, and inside here is where I've put this little project that we made. All right, so this little project, and I'm not going to open everything, but I'll just show you. This was a lovely project where we've made a little separate standalone little notebook. It's got these lovely little tags that go in there, and then we've got some goodies that tuck in there. How cute is that? And this would make a great idea for gifts, especially as we are involved with the festive season at the moment. All right, I'm not going to tie it all back up. I'm just going to tuck it back in there. So that's what I have put in there. Now, if you're going somewhere or you want on a weekend away and you still want to journal or make notes of what you're doing, that's a great little thing, just a notebook to pop into your bag. So that's what this is on the inside panel. Yeah, love the lace. Now, these are the pages for the signature, which come from my side of the Country Retreat Journal. And as I said, lovely pinks, blues, yellows, and really pretty. This was one of the projects that I did using Rachel's. This is one of my projects. So you'll find all of this in my little playlist, as I said. Loved making that. And then we've got one of these beautiful pages. This is one of Rachel's pages. So you can find her kit on her Ko-fi or her website shop as well. And they work perfectly together with mine. Here's a belly band that I did. Beautiful double belly band. So you've got a belly band up there and also underneath here. Right, I got the envelope stuck in there. Right, and then on this page here, we've got 2 double little envelope pockets. I've used lots of the fabrics to make these little ruffles. I love that. There's writing space. I love putting this one together. Lots of page edge decorative bits with all the scrappy bits of paper fabrics. Used a lot of my paper flowers, and I have just packed up a whole new bunch of flowers, so you will find those in my shop by the end of this week. This is another little project I did, little pages, all sorts of goodies. I'm not going to take everything out. Little pockets. Love the weathered wood look. That's one of Rachel's pages, and I've stenciled on pages as well. So I really love how this has come together. This is a cat on a mat, one of mine that I did with a little journal card in there and a little tag over there, and beautiful Cotswold farmhouse there. Yeah, I used all the little bits that I had over decorating the pages. Here's one of my altered paper bag projects. You've got nice little pockets on that side of it, and on this side we've got this is loose, but it's another page that I did, another project that I did with one of my exciting envelope templates. And yeah, really, really nice. Now this all opens up and folds out like that. So again, another great gift idea. So I've just put it together like this and slid it into the side there so it can stay there. Little altered paper clip, faux photographs, more little pockets that we've made. Another gorgeous little flip out. Love that. All of these, as I say, are available to make on the playlist. And I mean, of course, you don't have to do it in this theme if you don't want to. Another little pocket and fabric ruffle. Here I've used just a tuck spot. I've stuck in my doilies, and that's a separate kit. And then just a little card over there. Beautiful lace in here. And then this is a page wrap I made with a tuck spot. I put doilies in. They've got little cards as well, here and here. Love that. And yeah, I really love how this one's turned out, and I love the projects in here. This is just a little pocket. Use my faux washi tape, which is in there as well. Another gorgeous page. Love all the layers, pockets here. Lots tucked in there. This was so cute as well. This is a little fold-up box. That's the little belly band to hold it down, and you've got little goodies in there. So how cute is that? You know, I love a secret spot. So that just slides into that area there. And then beautiful paper in here. Double tagged pockets, really cute. Lots of beautiful fussy cuts and all sorts for this kit. Here the page edge decorative bits, some pockets, more pages. I used loads of flowers in here. Here's another little project that I did. And little piggies. Yeah, it was an amazing project to put together. I love it. That's the end of that first signature. We've got the second one here, and I do love that sofa. I fancy that sofa in my own house, really. Another little project that I did, and as I say, there were loads of them, but yeah, I really loved all of these projects. So that's another little one that I did. And you'll find these all there and part of the collaboration that we did for summer. Really enjoyed it. Some more beautiful fabric ruffles. I love the fabric. The fabrics in here are so pretty, and even if you're not making this country retreat journal, great for any theme with these pinks and blue colors. Absolutely amazing. Love the ephemera. This is from my ephemera kit. Beautiful. And another little project. You can tuck something in there. You can tuck something in here. And love that little bird. There's my Abby sitting on the sofa. She heard me. Little tuck spot there. And another one of those little boxes like I had in the other signature. Some more beautiful ruffles. Oh, isn't that adorable? That's one of Rachel's pages. And then we made these layered using kitchen roll cores. We made these with all these little tags in here. Friendship, and they've all got these lovely words on. Beautiful. All the lovely friends. Here we've got another little fold out with a flip up, a little envelope with another tag in there. And then again, a little booklet. This was using my mini journal for the country retreat. That's the cover for that. And I've used it as a center spread with a little notebook in there. So that's going to go in there like that. Nice to have notebooks when you're on a day trip or on our little holiday break. Here's one of these other little pockets. Loads of beautiful things tucked in there. I do love that. Isn't that amazing bathroom? And then we've got these. Another little pocket. Lovely little tuck spots. Very country, shabby chic this is. Another one of those double belly bands where you've got goodies stuck under the first bit and then more under the second. So that's really lovely. And again, some little pockets and some fabric, again from that same fabric bundle. This was an amazing little project with the little notebooks. And you've got all these notes here with like a backing piece. And they tuck into this double pocket there. So that sort of just goes over the top. And then some more double pockets. Another little one over there. And I do love that bath. I do like that. And that's the end of that. Isn't that so pretty? I do like it. I hope you do too. Right, everybody, that is the Country Retreat's final flip through. I hope that you're encouraged to finish yours. And if you haven't already shown me, then please do drop some photos of it in my Facebook group called Fans of Angela Kerr Designs. If you're not sure how to become a member, you are very welcome. If you look at my YouTube channel, the homepage, you'll see I've got my link tree there. And in the link tree, you'll be able to see at the very top, it'll say Fans of Angela Kerr Designs. When you click on it, it's in there and you can apply through that way. Please fill in the questionnaire so we know you're a person and not a robot, because we won't accept anyone if they haven't filled in the questions. I just have to be strict to make sure that it's a safe place for everyone. All right, go and have a look at the shop if you're looking for anything that I've used today. I've got all my digitals there. I will be having a Black Friday sale starting on Friday on all my digitals and goodies and some new bits and pieces, putting some surprise bundles and other things in there, and they'll be at an amazing price. So once I do that once a year. So look out for that. That will be Friday till probably Monday. All right. Thank you so much. And I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye-bye.